Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer money from one pay to another bank using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the OnePay app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on Cash Control at the bottom of your screen. After that, tap on Move Money. This option lets you send money from one pay to another bank. Here you will see two options. Tap on to another bank. Now type the amount you want to transfer, then tap continue. If this is your first time, you may need to add a bank account into bank name, routing number or account number. I will check the details before continuing. Make sure you have enough balance in your OnePay account, then tap continue or next. Review all the details on the screen. If everything looks correct, tap confirm or send. You will see a message saying your transfer is processing or completed. And that's it. You have successfully transferred money from OnePay to another bank using your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.